Do you think I could jump that?
Please don't.
I could jump that far.
Don't do it.
But
you're gonna give me a panic attack. This guy trips over flat ground. I don't want you near here. Leave. Go stand up there.
I'm being banished. We're Brian and Megan.
We're an average American couple who loves to travel and explore.
Welcome to our average wild experience.
I do like that they have these. Oh, sorry.
Distance walk, 2.5 miles.
Nope. Not 2.5.
Distance walked, 0.25 miles.
We are at South Cumberland State Park in Tennessee. And it is gorgeous. Look at these leaves. Look at them. Look at them. Perfect fall foliage today.
Beautiful. We're
So,
at Stone Door Trail. And
we are hiking to Stone Door.
I'm excited. This was on our list to go see earlier this year, but we had to cancel it. And now we're back. And
Not back. We never came.
well, we're here for the first time.
We're here.
We made it this time. And I couldn't be angry about canceling because this is absolutely beautiful. Do you think I could jump that?
Please don't.
I could jump that.
Don't do it.
But
you're gonna give me a panic attack. This guy trips over flat ground. I don't want you near here. Leave. Go stand up there.
I'm being banished.
This is so stunning.
Overlook number 2. The wild photographer makes her place on the edge of the rocky outcrop.
What are you saying?
So the wild photographer makes up her post on the outcrop. She hones in on her target. The rare October Tennessee leaves. And crikey, what a sight to see. Look how she peers down the viewfinder.
Oh my gosh, Brian. I'm trying to ignore you. It's not going very well.
Do you hear those clicks? That's a warning sign. Oh, she saw us. The clicks and the warning sign we did not adhere by. We found the stone door. It was heavy, but we opened it. Took a little bit.
Took both of us.
It was messy, Megan. I was just here for moral support. We have found the overlook.